Can Wix send automated emails? Yes, Wix can send automated emails using its built-in marketing tools, known as Wix Automations and Wix Email Marketing. These tools let you automatically reach your customers at the right time, whether it's welcoming new subscribers, confirming an order, sending abandoned cart reminders, or following up with clients after a purchase. You can easily customize these emails to match your brand by using Wix's drag and drop editor. Add your logo, choose colors, and personalize the message so it feels authentic and engaging. Wix even allows you to segment your audience, ensuring each customer receives emails that fit their behavior and interests. For more advanced users, Wix Automations also supports trigger-based workflows. For example, you can set an email to send when someone fills out a form, books an appointment, or makes a payment. You can also add delays, follow-up sequences, or even SMS notifications to create a complete customer journey. Automated emails in Wix not only save you time, but also build stronger relationships with your audience. They help you stay consistent, nurture leads, and turn visitors into loyal customers, all from one easy-to-use dashboard. There is a link in the description of this video that lets you use Wix for free.